Ray, and today I'm going to be showing you, so a lot of you people do know that I went to Branson this year. I have a video about it. You should watch that video. Great video. But, so while I was in Branson, I rode a helicopter. I might have left that out in the story time a few weeks ago. I might not have, I don't remember. But I have footage of it. Right now we're on the menu screen from the helicopter company. So I'm going to press play on this and we're going to watch my experience. So I am a little chicken at the beginning because I thought he was a stunt pilot and we were going to like do flips. That's why me and Wyatt were scared because my dad's like, oh, he's going to do flips in midair, and we were scared. So let's get to it.
We're gonna be okay, guys.
How high are we going? Like how many feet?
Oh,
Want to zoom out?
I'll tell you once we're up there.
Here we go.
If I tell you now, you won't like it.
I'm here with my friend Wyatt and my mom, and then the pilot is on the bottom left. Okay, we're about to take off. This is fun.
All I ask is please don't yell.
It's weird not hearing, because we have those headphones on. It's weird not hearing from, like, your actual voice, like you hear in the headphones.
No, it's actually really cool.
It's kind of odd.
Oh, I promise. We're just gonna start pushing forward. We're gonna get some airspeed. Hey, look, we're already higher than Kong.
How do you know those Kong?
My friend Wyatt
Okay.
is obsessed with Kong.
It's okay. Don't worry.
Okay, just try not to yell. Okay.
You gotta concentrate, guys.
I'm in the top left. My friend is at the top right. My mom's at the bottom right, and the pilot is at the bottom left.
Don't worry, guys. I've done this 2,000 times.
I know.
2,000 hours, actually. So.
Look how pretty.
Yeah, as we start climbing up, you'll be able to see Table Rock Lake stretches out over 35
This was in
miles,
Branson.
all the way into northwest Arkansas.
Oh, what's that huge building? Is that like a hotel?
Yeah, it's Chateau on the Lake. That's one of the different resorts.
Okay, you can't see it now, but we're about to see it in a minute. It looks like a castle. Like a Chinese or Japanese or whatever type of castle those are. That's probably not the right name, but
This is a
yeah.
really pretty area.
Oh, yeah. The best.
You hear any added noises? That's my bed
The
creaking. It's
reason
really
I'm trying
old and
not
it's
to
metal,
freak
so.
out right now is I think that like the army does this like a real lot.
I do this a lot, too.
Yeah, and you do it a lot too, and you're very experienced. I can tell.
I was just nervous, so I just put words together and I was like, I don't care if they make sense.
Yeah, head is Table Rock Dam. That's over 250 feet tall. That takes water from the bottom of Table Rock Lake and puts it down into
Wow.
Lake Taneycomo.
Sorry.
Lake Taneycomo gets all its water from the bottom of Table Rock Lake. It never gets warmer than 50 degrees Fahrenheit year round.
I'm just gonna adjust.
All right, guys. Here in just a moment, once we get past this hotel, I'm going to make a turn. Don't worry, it's all normal.
Actually, I don't think we get to see the hotel, but it's pretty. There's another one like it over there, though.
Moonshine Beach is right off our right shoulder here. That's the most sand on the entire lake, but as a whole, Table Rock Lake has more shoreline than the entire coast of the state of California.
This is fun.
What?
It is.
See, I wanted to quit.
I didn't know that.
The worst part is probably
I don't
like
even
going
remember
up.
him
That's
saying
like
Yeah,
where you-
takeoff is always what freaks people out.
Dang,
Clark down 10 on helicopter 9 Charlie. Charlie's 4 miles west of the field.
When he did that, that hurt our ears really bad because the volume on the headphones was like screaming.
Indian Point. It gets the name Indian Point because that peninsula is in the shape of an arrowhead.
Huh, interesting.
It's weird hearing it like this.
I know.
I'm going to cut the pilot out because I'm not sure if he wants his face on YouTube, so.
Out on this.
Yeah. But when you get used to it, it's real.
Yeah, it's not bad at all. It's like a roller coaster. Well, it's not a roller coaster, but you're nervous.
No,
before
not
you get
even
on it, and then
close.
you get on, you have fun.
It's like a slow motion.
See in the top left right there, you can see my finger right there. That thing looks beautiful. Can you see my finger? Hi, right there. Oh, it's out of frame.
Off to our left out there is Indian Point, or Inspiration Tower. That's the tallest point in all of Branson. It's got a zip line at the top of it.
Yeah, we
over a
see
half
that all the way
mile long.
to our hotel.
And it goes
At
over
the
50
top
miles an hour.
left, about right There's us, and this is from the left side of the helicopter.
Really? Very nice.
Sorry.
When you were in town Monday through today.
Very good.
We're going to be leaving tonight.
Oh, alright. I'll start right over here at the Branson Ferris wheel. I came all the way from Navy Pier in Chicago, Illinois, when the city of Chicago decided to go on their They're like, hey, we'll have to take it off your hands.
Left down departure be west on initially. That's the Clark downtown.
This is a
And these
really
Red Roosters get ready to fly
beautiful
over these the
place.
ballparks of America. There are 5 Little League stadiums, modeled after 5 Major League stadiums like Kansas City, St. Louis, Chicago, Brooklyn, and Boston. They're so popular that kids come from all over the country to come play baseball here.
Wow.
It doesn't get that view that great, but it's a
Oh,
big
yeah, they do
field.
a really good job
See?
with these.
Right there.
Alrighty, guys, as we prepare for landing, just do me a huge favor, stay seated, keep your headsets on, and one of the girls will be coming around to get you guys unloaded.
All right.
That
Greg.
was quick.
Yeah.
Yeah,
no
this is
joke.
like
That's
really
pretty
quick.
fun.
It was so fun though.
We need to do this again sometime.
See that flipped upside down building right there?
Not bad
That's
at all.
Wonderworks, and if you watch my video last, it's a upside down building and everything in there is like messed up. It's weird.
Yeah. We will.
And then as soon as you get in there, there's mini roller coasters. It's really sick.
Orange. Not orange, but
The red one?
I said green one before we do the red.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the green one's like the like 30 minutes long, and the red one's an hour. Just for you to know. Yeah, turn the radio on for a second.
Take off your headset. So
Back on the ground.
That person
Down.
right there that's walking, that's my dad.
Yeah.
Have a wonderful...
So, what'd you think? If you want to go in if you want to go in a helicopter and you were in Branson, the Chopper Charter is the best place to go. This thing was so fun. I hope you enjoyed this video, and goodbye.